As the great Hannah Montana wisely sang, everybody makes mistakes. But when it comes to prepping for the SAT or ACT, mistakes can come with harsh consequences of not getting admitted to that dream school or not qualifying for the next tier of scholarship money. So let's discuss the 3 biggest mistakes I see when it comes to standardized test prep. First, test prep timing. I believe deciding when to begin prepping for the SAT or ACT should be based exclusively on when the student takes Algebra 2. Because the reading section is strictly strategy driven and the writing and language section theme based, we're able to prep students for these sections regardless of which English classes they've taken. For the primarily content driven math section, however, both the SAT and ACT only test through Algebra 2 content. When it comes to starting standardized test prep, I consider there to be 2 primary proactive test prep cycles. The first is reserved for students on the accelerated math track who complete Algebra 2 as a sophomore. I recommend these students prep during the summer after their sophomore year so they can sit for their first test in late August or early September before the chaos of junior year ensues. The second primary proactive test prep cycle is for students who are on the standard math track and are taking Algebra 2 as a junior. I recommend these students take the first test with prep by December of their junior year. Regardless of where you find yourself along this timeline, it's always better to start sooner than later. Check back in next time when we discuss the second common SAT prep mistake, assuming the SAT. And remember, you got this.